Oh, need something to write with.
What do you mean? You have the cardboard you're writing. Oh, you mean you need ink is what you're saying. Ah, okay. Let me open.
Apparently it has internal rotors, so we don't need a force.
Oh yeah, it'll feed itself. Yeah. All right, what color of filament ink do you want?
Let's go emerald green. Can you smell it? Can
No,
you?
What do you smell?
This.
Not the plastic. You smell the burning of that, or
yes.
what? Oh, what's it smell like?
Don't touch. Is extremely hot.
Okay. Okay, you're feeding it through. Does it do it on its own, or are you pushing a button to make it feed?
Pushing a button.
Okay.
Or not. Maybe I'm not pushing a button.
I can see it moving.
Because I can't.
Oh. Not constantly when it makes that other sound. Right there.
Stop, 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 stop.
Wow, how much? Oh, slow it down. It's coming out. Okay, now as you go up, if you want it to stay firm, you've got to go very slow, okay? Okay. Now, put it into the hole here. Start feeding it through. Now the green that he had used is starting to come out. And I guess this is a speed. Let me see here. Yeah, that's super slow. Super fast. Okay, so that's like if you're doing really intricate work, I guess. Let's see, what do I want to make? Okay, you will never guess what I'm making right now because I made a big mess. But you know what? First tries, that's what it's all about. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, here is my bouquet of flowers. Here is my son's snail that he made. So I don't think you're ever going to make legitimate artwork with this, but let me tell you, it is so much fun. It doesn't matter. This is mindless fun. This is just cool. Really. It's a great way to enjoy yourself, and I think it'd make a great gift. I haven't had any problems with this. It does exactly what it should do. The instructions were pretty easy. My son was able to figure it out and pass on the instructions to me. It loads and ejects beautifully. The only thing I would change is a longer cord. Pull this out of the wall. See, I've been at an awkward angle the whole time because I'm right-handed and I don't have enough room to really get a good angle. The cord is just yay big. What is it? About 3 feet, 3.5 feet. So, you know, if I had half a brain, I would have used an extension cord to start with, but I didn't, so I found myself regretting that the entire time. That's the only thing I would fix, and you know, it's not hard. Get an extension cord. It's really cool. This is really, really cool. Have fun.